I don't need an RV cover. Covers are a waste of money, said no RVer ever. There's very little debate as to the benefits of covering your RV when it's in storage. Lower maintenance costs, higher resale value. This Travel Star is almost 3 years old and it's still almost as pretty as when it was new. But there are some knocks too. Some covers are heavy and bulky, making it difficult for a mere mortal to schlep it up on the roof. And the sun and gusty winds can wreak havoc on the life expectancy of some covers, so the cost of keeping an RV under wraps can be a little steep. And that was our personal experience. The California sun and the devil winds shredded our last cover. So when we went shopping for a new cover and found this PermaPro from Classic Accessories, we thought we'd give it a try. Out of the box, there are two things worth mentioning. The Classic Accessories folks say their warranty is bulletproof. I told them about our personal experience, and Schuler Moyer, their VP of Business Development, said, and I'm quoting here, "We would replace it. We just need a pic of the damaged cover and then we send you a new one. Simple as that." Clearly we have no way of testing that now, but I will definitely post an update to the video notes in a couple of years. Also, the PermaPro is lighter weight than most. So light, in fact, that I can just toss the bag over my shoulder and scale the ladder without even using my superpowers. The cover shifts with a roll of adhesive-backed fabric that you can use to reinforce where there might be sharp edges, such as downspouts or bottom corners of the RV. I still use pool noodles to cover the downspouts, but these patches should also help to extend the life of the cover. As I'm sliding the cover into position, I'm appreciating that the ripstop polyester material is slick and seems to slide into place more easily than cloth or canvas covers. On my trailer, at least, it seems less inclined to snag on those downspouts or awning or solar panel. It just seems easier to get it in place. These straps can unbuckle from both sides of the cover, meaning, most importantly, 4 fewer things to trip over when you're up on the roof. But also, gives you the option to work from either side of the RV when you're tightening the straps. PermaPro cover comes with a small bag you can stuff with some ballast, such as a handful of rocks. Put the bag to the strap, toss into the RV to the other side. The PermaPro is also easier to bag up and stow than our last cover was. Now, I'm not gonna say you'll ever get it perfectly folded and rolled up like it ships, but the Classic Accessories folks have added these expandable panels to the bag. It's a stroke of near genius, and I'm finding it pretty easy to get the bag stuffed and stowed while I'm still on the roof of the RV. It's a little like getting all that extra gear stuffed into your luggage just before a long trip. But once you get it bagged up, it's as easy to get down as it was to get up in the first place. Oh, and there's one more thing. This material is translucent enough, it allows me to leave my solar system on while covered. The batteries stay charged and conditioned, and I no longer need an auxiliary trickle charge system. Is there a perfect solution for covering every RV? Probably not, but for now, for us, we're finding a lot to like about this PermaPro cover from Classic Accessories.